Hi, boys and girls. Miss Noble here, and today's reading lesson is going to be about making sure what you're seeing is what you are saying. Okay, so what we're going to work with to deal with that today is seeing the number of words on a page and saying that number of words, okay? Because sometimes what we do is we look at the picture, which we're supposed to, and then we just start talking about the picture and we forget that we're supposed to read the sentence, right? And I know we're not there reading sentences yet, but this is a good lesson to learn or a good skill to have, where if you see the number of words on the page, you can kind of train your brain to only say that amount of words to describe the picture. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple examples today to kind of walk you through this. And so first, what we always do when we read, right? We look at the picture first. We look at the picture. And what is that a picture of? It's not that great of a drawing, but what do you think this is a picture of? And I forgot its tail. Poor little guy. I forgot its tail. Okay, so it's a cat. If you didn't figure it out, it's a cat. Okay, and before I even read this sentence, I'm going to look at it. It's a cat. It's purple, has whiskers. It's not really doing anything. It's just plopping in the middle of nowhere, right? Okay, so I could look at that and I could describe my cat, and then I can look down here. And before I can even read these words, what I'm going to do is I'm going to count. And I'm going to see how many words are in this sentence. Will you count with me? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 words in this sentence. I'm going to hold up the number 4, okay? Because I can only say 4 words to describe this picture. Okay, so when I look at it, I could say a cat. I still have 2 words left. I didn't say all the words I needed to say, so it can't be it. Okay. How about this is a pretty cat and it's purple. That was too many words, wasn't it? Okay. So it can't be that. Can't be that, right? So I need to make sure that what I'm saying is how many words are actually here. Okay, so what I'm going to try now. We know this word too, right? What word is this? That's right, I. And we know this word. We can say a or So if this, we're going to say So I and I'm pretty sure that this is the word cat. Goes after the C, and of course it's going to say cat, right? So something, a cat. I see a cat. I said 4 words like I counted, right? I see a cat, or I see a cat. Either way is okay. I have to make sure that what I'm saying matches the amount of words that are there. And what really helps you keep track of that is pointing, and making sure that you move your finger as you say a word. Remember, words are separated, right? So it's the difference between a letter and a word. They're separated. So I'm going to say, I see a cat. I pointed 4 times. I said 4 words. I read that perfectly. Okay? Now this next one down here, these are frogs, which Miss Noble did not do a good job of drawing. I forgot how to draw a frog, but that's okay. They're ugly frogs. So let's count and see how many words my sentence has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. 5 words for this sentence, okay? I see frogs. I see frogs. Is that enough? If I just say, I see frogs, is that enough words for me to say? I see frogs. Because I counted and I know that I have to say 5 words. So it can't just say, I see frogs. So I have to think of something else. I see a lot of frogs in the lake. That's too many. My arm went off the page. It's too many. I can't say all those words. So you just need to bring it down and start thinking about how you can describe this picture in just 5 words, because I know that that's how many words there are. So I'm going to read this sentence for real by pointing to each word as I say it. I see 5 green frogs. Now that's exactly what this sentence says. I said 5 words and I pointed to each one as I said it. I see 5 green frogs. Pointing helps me keep track of how many words I'm saying and how many words that there are. So I need you to practice this today, okay? I need you to practice by going onto Raz Kids, finding a little book, and I want you to, before you even try to guess what the sentence says, you're going to count the number of words on the page. And then when you go to try to read the page, count them on your fingers. Keep track of how many words you are saying and make sure that it matches the amount that you counted in the first place. Okay? That's what good readers do. They make sure that what they see is what they say. All right? Good luck, boys and girls. See you soon.